Hey there, if you're finding this video, you're thinking about implementing new TCR technology, and you may have some concerns around staff hesitancy, or are they going to be fearful of the new technology? Typically, when we're implementing teller cash recyclers, we're either going into a net new environment where maybe they have not had a teller cash recycler before, or we're replacing older technology like a teller cash dispenser or older roll storage cash recycler. That can often lead to two different types of experiences. First off, when we're going into a net new environment, there is almost always trepidation on how the process is going to change. Is this unit actually accurate? And am I going to get in trouble if I'm out of balance? The other environment, secondly, maybe they've got some negative history, or since the machine has been having issues, maybe they have reluctancy to use it and trust the machine. At the end of the day, what you're trying to do is really drive efficiency and the ability to create stronger interactions with your customers and members, so your staff is less focused on the mundane transaction part. With a typical cost of $10,000 to $12,000 a year for a cash recycler, and a typical staff cost of somewhere between 40 and 50 grand, when you think about hourly wage plus benefits, the return on investment can become nearly immediate by simply being able to optimize your staffing level to handle the volume. So many people deploy teller cash recyclers to handle the peaks and valleys of transactional flow in the branch. Well, there's also a lot of challenges with inefficiencies around compliance, dual control, moving money back and forth between the teller and the vault, or even getting the vault teller involved, creates a lot of extra manual work that a teller cash recycler is going to automate or make happen less frequently. One of our keys to success here at QDS is on the implementation and onboarding phase. We feel that it is paramount to address those fears and concerns of the staff and get them comfortable using the unit as quickly as possible in the beginning. We are on average on site anywhere from a day and a half to 2.5 days to ensure that your staff is not only functionally capable of using the machine, but they have confidence in the processes and procedures. They know how to recover from errors, which is going to be more likely for them to use it than be reluctant. Because we know an engaged and confident staff will use it for its utmost benefit, which goes back to having deeper conversations with your customers and members and finding products and services that will grow that relationship without having the worry of balancing to the penny in an old manual style cash drawer. So as we think about doing these implementations well, we run them through the whole process. We talk them through the balancing procedure and show them how quick and easy that is. It will often save you anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes a staff member at closing out at the end of the day, which is ultimately going to put more savings back in your pocket if you're paying overtime as an institution. We're going to show them how to recover from jams and what would happen if you had a customer present and they disagreed with the amount. We will walk them through the self-audit process, when that will be most effective for them, and all the ways that they can effectively use the transit cassette that would come with your Yosung MS500 cash recycler. So it's really about building confidence and hand-holding your staff through the process so they're very comfortable with the machine so they can focus on your customers. If you remember one thing when you're thinking about a TCR partner that's going to help overcome those fears and objections, you want someone that's going to hand-hold the process, someone who has staff that fluently speaks GL and understands the role of the teller, and someone that's ultimately going to help them be effective at doing more of the things you're trying to get them to do, which is deepen relationships and cross-sell other products and services. If you'd like our help in this process, follow up with us soon.